a tandem carry front and back, ruck tied at the shoulder with a front cross sling tied on the front using the same wrap. This can be done in a base size wrap. This is a base plus 2. Start 2.5 measures off from the middle marker. Start my baby on that point. We're wrapping back baby free. Start by making a T. One short tail, one long tail. Pin the short tail and strand by strand tighten the long tail. And bring it over both legs as a bunch fast. Strand by strand tighten the short tail. And you can either use a single ring finish here or a sliding knot like a cow's hitch knot or a clove hitch knot. That's for the clove hitch. Make sure this knot is really high on your shoulder, because it'll determine the height of the initial cross path. Okay. That baby is secured. May not be happy, but he's secured. Okay, now I'm going to take the long tail here, short tail hanging down. Short tail connects to the ruck path, and I can still adjust that through the sliding knot if needed. Long tail, I'm going to start with a hammock cross path. So I want to pull the bottom rail up, make kind of a hammock here that my arm can sit across, and take that bottom rail up, make the new top rail showing the wrong side out, across my back, make sure it's under baby's feet. And around to the other side. Walk. The other rail. Top rail cross path becomes the bottom rail of the horizontal path across my back. You can hammock this again and make another cross path. I'm going to leave it as a sling path to make it more lean through. So this becomes front cross sling on the front. And now diagonally across my chest, up over the ruck strap, make the U-turn back through, make a knotless tuck. Loosen back through this, make room, and pull the outer sling path up, and get second baby. showed, secondly into the cross path, threading it knee to knee. Now pull down from the knot, the bottom rail to this knee, lift that knee up, and then reach between to find where that bottom rail flips up through the hammock to make the top rail, and walk it around your back. Jump rope this path over their head. Make sure you're not adding any extra twists. Pull it down. And now you want to make sure that the back pass is quite tight. I'm just going to walk it towards the knotless finish. Again, bunch most of this at the bottom rail of the back pass. Walk it through the seat, making sure their pelvis is nice and tucked comfortably. Spread this out wide over the ruck strap so it doesn't dig. Again, you can find any slack in that horizontal back pass. I'm going to walk it through. And that is tandem, ruck tied at the shoulder with a front cross sling in the front with a knotless